See, the thing is, like, I haven't done art in so long, so I like want to make it a more regular thing. But I would paint on these mini canvases, and it was so fun. I want to paint more Pokemon. Just because I feel like that'd be a good time. Good practice for me too. Look at Hurricane drops Jesse on his neck, hook in the leg. Jesse kicks. What's up, Ariel? How are you? Good to see you. All right, Jax is the final participant in this match, as you see off to the left, battling it out with Rich Mahogany. Fellow Taters, I love that. Hey, I appreciate the support, Amber, because I know you're a big art person. Fun fact, I actually used to draw comics. Stream ended for a second. That was weird. I didn't have any drop frames. I used to draw comics for my classmates. You know, it'd be fucking sick if on one of my streams we like looked at my old comics. Like, it has all this fucking lore and all these different characters. It was crazy. Oh, big power slam reversal by Hurricane. But yes, I would very much love to do more art. Maybe I'll make it a thing. Who knows? Could have been a glitch for you. I didn't lose any frames. Someone just got eliminated. Someone's out. Moosey's out. Moosey is out of this match. Irish curse backbreaker from... Oh, and a bro kick from Sheamus. Now we're down to 5 here. Winner will move on in the tournament. As is how tournaments go. I thought Twitch was trying to fuck with your bag. Big kick there from Mahogany. Hurricane kicks out at 2.5. Nothing in my house. It's true. Chat, let me know how your day was, what you did, what you didn't do, what you wish you did. Now that we got more people coming through here. Let's talk, bro. Let's fucking chat it up. Ask me anything. Dude, I fucking started my walks with Colonel today. Did you guys see? On my Twitter. Wait, I gotta find the picture, dude. He's so stinking cute. Worked and my feet are hurting. Yeah, I get that. Where's Colonel? Dude, so stinking cute. I love this guy. Save this picture. Hurricane with the cover now on Jax. Oh. Why didn't it? It won't let me copy over the picture. That's weird. Well, he's a handsome boy. I'll just fucking show a picture on my thing. Jesse is out. We're down to 4 now. Hurricane looked like he was setting something up big for Jax, but... Oh! Stunner there from Mahogany. Sheamus sent into the corner now. Hurricane covers Jax. But we get a kick out from Jax now, and Sheamus. These 4 are beating the hell out of each other. And Sheamus with the Irish curse backbreaker. Going for the arms now. Another one. Into the brogue kick. Rich Mahogany might be down, and Sheamus looking for some leverage. Mahogany kicks out, though. If Mahogany won this, he would... Oh! He just kicked Sheamus. Sheamus kicks out, though. If Mahogany wins, he'll join his fellow woodsman, Woodrow Wilson, in the tournament. I'm taking it to the outside with Jax here. Oh, and Hurricane off at the top rope. Nobody home. Super kick from Jax. Oh my God, and the corkscrew moonsaults. Holy shit. There's corkscrew shooting star press, whatever the fuck it's called. Hurricane is out. Mahogany gets Sheamus out, and now it's Mahogany and Jax. Let's see how this goes. Jax sent over the top rope. Mahogany might have Jax's number. Look at, he's already putting the moves in on him. Figure four of sorts. Jax may be forced to tap out here. Nope. Jax gets out of it. Oh, and Rich Mahogany sent into the post. Jax using the environment to his advantage. Into the ring. He goes. Jax gonna go up top now. Look for a big move. Oh, the front flip elbow drop on Rich Mahogany. Hooks the leg. But Rich is not done yet. Oh, standing moonsault, nobody home. This is perfect setup for Mahogany. Took too long. Jax now. Oh, knees to the back of Mahogany's knees. Mahogany's knees. He's nuts. Oh, neck breaker from the middle rope. Big whiff. Big whiff. Guys, we got a lot coming up tonight. We got Jake Impact defending his world title against Kid, and then we've also got Jake Impact teaming up with Cody Rhodes and challenging for the Twitch Tag Team titles. We got all Twitch championships on the line, all three of them. We got the Intercontinental Championship, Iron Man match. Tons of crazy stuff. Are all wrestlers around the same overall? Yes, I put them all at 100. It used to be progression based, so if you had a good win-loss record, it would play into your overall, but now we just have everyone at 100 overall. Everyone's having cracked-ass matches. It's totally up to the AI. There's no real advantage or disadvantage, which makes it pretty fun, in my opinion. We've had significantly better matches since doing that. Mahogany sent in. Jack's gonna go up again. Looking for that elbow drop. That's gotta be it. Jax moves on in the tournament. I bet Sam hates that I'm teaming with Cody, probably. Here's your winner, Jax. I do, Jake. I got it set up right before stream. We had to do it to him. Jax in his second ever match in GCW. Moving on in the greatest wrestling tournament.